to show you how to use the SEO toolset. So the SEO toolset is Bruce Clay's own proprietary SEO toolset, and there's a bunch of tools in here. Now, what I'm going to do is I've taken a website and I've pasted it here. Now, the first thing to note is while in some of the other tools, you can just go ahead and only put in part of the domain, and that would work. That doesn't work in our tool. So you need to put the entire domain URL, which is including the HTTP, etc. Right? And then you click the Analyze button. And oh, sorry, what I should also tell you is you need to be in the single page analyzer tool. This is what I'm running here because there's a bunch of tools in here. So what I've done is I've clicked on page analysis, and then I've clicked on single page analyzer here. And once that's been done, it opens the single page analyzer. That's when I've gone in and pasted the URL here and clicked analyze. Now what this does is it sends our spider, our robot kind of thing, and it goes and crawls the web page. Now remember, even though it's the domain, it's the page that is being crawled in this instance. It's not the entire site, it's only that one particular page. That's why this is called a single page analyzer. This is an excellent tool to figure out on-page stuff. That is what's happening, what are the titles, descriptions, keywords, etc., etc. So now here you see it's gone and crawled it, and it's come back with the information, and it gives them a dashboard view of what's happening here. So as you can see, page topics. Now the website was teambhp.com, and as you can see, the topics are Suzuki, which is a car model, hot threads, forum hot, team BHP. So that's what the topics are. Now this link ratio over here, this is telling us that 80% of the links are internal to the website, and there's about 20% which are going outside the website. Now generally what I tend to do is I skip these ones and I click on this keywords tab. What this is doing, it's given us a topological map over here, and it's given us the prioritized list of keywords that is based on the number. So this is basically simple count of keywords, and how whatever is the maximum count has got the number one priority here. So basically what it's saying is on this particular web page, we found the word car used 13 times on the page. Threads has been used 7 times. And when we say page, it means the beginning of the code to the last line of the code. So that includes invisible parts of the page, such as the title, description, the meta tags, etc. as well. So as we can see, that's what this page is about. Mahindra, Suzuki. So over here, I'm looking at these particular words to see what they are, right? So I'm again going to just take a quick screenshot of this, and maybe depending on what it is, I could take 10 or I could take 15 keywords and give my comment about that. And same thing I'm going to do over here. I'm going to take a screenshot of this topological map. It looks very neat. So I'm just going to take that screenshot and keep that with me as well. So next I click on the tag information, and this is where you see what the tags are used on the page, which is the title, the description, keywords, canonical, etc. Now the title is the most important part of the web page. I'm going to repeat that. The title, which is this part, this title is the most important part of the web page from a coding perspective. It tells Google or the search engine what the web page is about. And as we can see over here, they have used the word home to begin with, and that's wrong. So they really need to fix that. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a quick screenshot of this as well. So of the title, the description, and as we can see, the description is empty. That's bad. Again, keywords are no longer very important, so I don't prioritize them. Canonical tag, that's completely wrong because it's the wrong page that's been canonicaled over here. And I'm also going to take a screenshot of the headings, and as we can see in this case, H1 is the main heading tag, which is the highest priority. And again, the heading tag has not been used correctly again. So pretty bad. This site has a lot of things going wrong for them. and which we can fix. Um, the other thing we are going to look at is our tool also goes on the back end, and at the with the backend API looks at Google PageSpeed insights and gives us a score for that. And as well, you can see the score is this is the mobile page speed. So as you can see, it's the mobile view, and I'm going to take a quick screenshot of this as well. And The page speed score is 64. That's bad, and that's why it's in red color. So things can be done to improve this. The other part of this, what our tool also does, is it pulls up the contents of the page. And as we can see, there's about 222 words on this page, as we can see over here. And the first 200 words are in blue, just to give us an idea of how important those words are. So are those being used within the website or not, on the page, I mean. Then page links, this is another great part of the tool. And what it does, it tells us all the links that are there on this web page, right? Whether that's internal links or external links. And I just click this button over here very quickly. And as we can see, there's 148 links on this page. Now, that's generally bad because you want to keep the number of links as less as possible. If you can do it 50, that's great. If you can do it at 80, 100, depending on the size of the site and what's happening, you'll want to minimize this, because that's very important from a site structure perspective in terms of the link juice that's flowing through the website. Yeah, so that's how this tool has been is mainly used. So there are many other parts of the overall SEO toolset, but that's how we use this particular tool. Thank you.